After 5 years with the team, Nick Romano is leaving or has confirmed the departure from Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha. Kind of sad. I mean, especially when you consider they are one of the best 250 teams you can be on. So for him, it's obviously not going to be an upgrade. He said on his Instagram, quote, "What feels like the end is often the beginning. Beyond thankful for the last 5 years Star Racing Yamaha. Thank you, everyone." Obviously, he made his, let's see here. He turned pro in 2025, finished 16th in his rookie season, and missed all of 2023 with a knee injury. And then 2024 raced the East. Was he 13th overall? And in motocross, he finished 16th by taking home 13th overall in the Super Motocross playoffs. So, I mean, for him, it can't be a good thing. Apparently the rumor of where he's going is Phoenix Honda. Who knows? Question mark that. Comment down below if you do know where he's going. But you gotta say this can't be I don't know, it can't be a thing you'd want to do. Like if you're on the Star Racing team, it is one of the best teams slash bikes slash programs. Leaving it is got to be can't be a positive. Like you can't be like, yeah, I'm leaving one of the best teams and I'm gonna go privateer. Not saying there's anything wrong with Phoenix Honda. Not saying anything like that at all. But if you're already where what most people are looking at, if you're a privateer, if you're on one of the smaller teams, you're looking at these big boy factory squads going, I want to be there. You don't really want to go the other way. But hopefully if he does move over to Phoenix Honda, he's, good. It's a good move for him, whether it's difference in program or maybe he likes the Honda better, whatever it is. Hopefully it's good. And we'll see the rest of this off season. I think we got like 105 days, something like that before A1. How many more silly season stuff comes out? But tell me what you think. Comment down below. Good move, bad move. Who do you think takes a seat? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.